What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here. I'm super excited to announce on Wednesday, the 2nd of June, 2021, we are going live with our latest launch called ENERGIZE. Now, ENERGIZE is going to be launched on the Warrior Plus platform, and in short, it's a cloud-based app which allows you to get free buyer traffic and cash in with high-ticket affiliate offers. So we all know the biggest affiliates and vendors in the game are cashing in big time by promoting high-ticket offers. We're talking those juicy $1,000 commissions, and when you promote this product, when you show this to your tribe, your customers, they are going to be able to replicate and duplicate and tap into the exact same system people like myself are doing every single day. And it would be awesome to have you guys on board to promote this one. So like I said, Wednesday the 2nd of June, 2021, this is ENERGIZE. Now, if you're on the JV page, click down below, somewhere left, right, down, somewhere around this video, you're going to be able to find the JV page. When you get on that JV page, you're going to find more details about the launch. You're going to find details about what exactly it is. You're going to be able to get your images for your bonus pages, your review pages, whatever you create to promote this offer. Details about the funnel, details about the cash prizes, and a lot more stuff about this offer. Now, guys, if you want me to promote your next offer on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, please consider promoting this one. I do reciprocate 99.9% of my top JVs. So if you do get in my top 10, my top 5, or even my top 50, the odds are I'm going to have a look at your offer, and if it's a fit for my list, my tribe, I'm going to promote it. Ask around, ask your friends, ask other affiliates in the industry. They will say, Glenn at some point has promoted my offer, and I'm going to do the same thing for you guys. But please consider promoting this one if you get a chance on Wednesday the 2nd of June and throughout the following 7 days of this launch. Now, if you do need email swipes, you need the document, you need access, you need anything else, just hit me up at any time. I'm here for you. Hit me up on Skype, Facebook, email me, try and get my phone number, whatever the case, and I'll reply to you with anything you need. So like I said, guys, it's an app which gets you traffic, gets you sales, gets you leads, and those high-ticket, juicy commissions, which every affiliate dreams of. Let's be honest, when we first get involved in internet marketing, we're all thinking, I would love to make $1,000 a day. This app allows you to do that. So this is ENERGIZE, 2nd of June 2021, Warrior Plus, 10 AM EST. If you can promote, that would be awesome. And remember, guaranteed reciprocation if you do get on board with this one. So hopefully I'll be seeing you on that leaderboard. Any questions, hit me up at any given time, and take it easy and have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.